The story of cherries is a journey that begins in the ancient lands of Asia, where these small and vibrant fruits have been a part of human culture and diet for over 4,000 years. Imagine farmers in Turkey and China carefully tending to their fruit trees, watching as cherries blossomed in spring, filling the air with their sweet and intoxicating fragrance. As the seasons changed, those same farmers delighted in the harvest, savoring each juicy red bite, a gift from nature that transcends time. The Romans, with their adventurous spirit and passion for agriculture, brought cherries to Europe, where they became integrated into the cuisine and daily life of communities. Cherries became a symbol of festivity and joy, adorning tables at banquets and celebrations. In the 17th century, European settlers crossed the ocean and brought this delight with them, planting the first seeds in American soil. Since then, cherries have flourished in various regions, becoming a symbol of sweetness and freshness that we all know and love. Today, there are two major categories of cherries: sweet and sour. Sweet cherries, like Bing cherries, are a delight for the palate. Their juicy flavor and crisp texture make them perfect for enjoying on their own as a snack during a hot summer afternoon. On the other hand, sour cherries, such as Morello cherries, provide a vibrant and intense flavor that is wonderfully suited for making jams, sauces, and desserts. Both varieties offer a spectrum of culinary possibilities that invite creativity in the kitchen. Incorporating cherries into our diet is not only a pleasure but also a gift for our health. These small red jewels are packed with antioxidants, those warriors that fight cellular aging and promote a healthier life. Additionally, their anti-inflammatory properties can be an ally in the battle against chronic diseases, helping to maintain balance in our bodies. And let's not forget about melatonin, the hormone that regulates our sleep. Cherries are a natural source of this compound, making them an ideal option for those looking to improve the quality of their rest. Imagine a sunny day when you decide to prepare a refreshing smoothie. With just a few ingredients, you can transform cherries into a delicious and nutritious drink. Blend fresh cherries with banana, a bit of yogurt, and almond milk. As you press the button on the blender, the sound of the motor blends with the anticipation of a vibrant flavor that will soon flood your palate. When you pour it into a glass, the intense red color invites you to enjoy every sip, while the flavors intertwine and dance in your mouth. Cherries are also perfect for salads. Imagine a fresh spinach salad with chunks of goat cheese, toasted walnuts, and of course cherries. The combination of textures and flavors delivers an explosion of freshness in every bite. The sweetness of the cherries contrasts with the salty flavor of the cheese and the crunch of the walnuts, creating a culinary experience that delights the senses. And when it comes to desserts, the possibilities are endless. A cherry crumble, for example, can be the star of any dinner. With a base of sour cherries, a touch of sugar, and a crunchy oat topping, this dessert becomes a classic that never goes out of style. Served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, it's the perfect finale to a meal. After exploring the wonderful world of cherries, it's time to take the next step and enjoy the freshness of these fruits in a very special place, Cantina 33. Located at Calle Campomanes 5 in Madrid, near the Opera metro station, this cantina is a haven for lovers of authentic flavors. Upon entering, the aroma of fresh fruits envelops you, promising an experience that will delight your senses. At Cantina 33, freshly made natural juices are the stars of the menu. Imagine a cherry juice made from select fruits that captures the essence of freshness in every drop. With the first sip, the vibrant and sweet flavor of the cherries transports you to a world of pleasure, where each drink is a reminder of nature's richness. The cantina not only offers cherries but also a variety of other fruits that blend together to create unique and refreshing mixes. The bartender's creativity shines through in every glass, making each visit a new adventure for your palate. The atmosphere at Cantina 33 is cozy and vibrant, a place where you can relax and enjoy the company of friends or simply lose yourself in thought while savoring a delicious juice. The decor, filled with warm colors and natural elements, creates an inviting ambience for conversation and connection. It's the perfect spot to share stories, laugh, and enjoy life, all while delighting in the freshness of cherries and other fruits. At the end of this journey, it is clear that cherries are much more than just a snack. They are a symbol of history, health, and creativity in the kitchen. Each bite is a celebration of nature and a reminder that life is full of little pleasures that deserve to be enjoyed. So, the next time you see those bright little red fruits, remember their story and everything they represent. And don't forget to visit Cantina 33 to experience the freshness of cherries at their finest. We look forward to welcoming you to enjoy this refreshing and delicious experience.